Good day, class! By the way, I am teacher Christien May Millo, but you can call me Teacher Chen. So before anything else, let's have our doxology first. So please sing and dance with me.
God made me, He made everything. God loves me, He can do anything. If I run over here, if I run over there, God is everywhere, and He loves me. When I look up, 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 I know He's real. When I look down, 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 I believe what I found. When I look in God's Word and I search for Him, He rewards me, 'cause He loves me. God made me, He made everything. God loves me, He can do anything. If I run over here, if I run over there, God is everywhere, and He loves me. When I look up, 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 I know He's real. When I look down, 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 I believe what I found. When I look in God's Word and I search for Him, He rewards me, 'cause He loves me. When I look up, 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 I know He's real. When I look down, 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 I believe what I found. When I look in God's Word and I search for Him, He rewards me, 'cause He loves me, 'cause He loves me, 'cause He loves me.
Okay, class, thank you for participating. So, good day, class. How are you today? Oh, it's great to hear that you are all fine. And it's nice to meet you too. So, before we start our discussion, let's check your attendance first. Remember what I told you yesterday? Alright, you need to bring your own pictures and post it in our attendance board when you come in our classroom. So, does any one of you didn't listen to me yesterday and didn't bring their own picture? Alright, very good. So no one forgets my assignment to you. So let's check if you are all present today. So Norma is here, Ivy is present, Carla is also here, Hannah is present, and Andrea is present. So good job, class. All of you are present. So keep up the good work. Alright? Very good. So before we start another lesson or another topic for today, I want to ask you first, can you still recall our last topic yesterday? Yes, Andrea? Alright, it is about polygons. So if you can still remember, what is polygon? Very good. A polygon is a closed plane figure that formed by a line segment that meet only at the end point. Alright, very good. So, another question is that, what is a line segment? Yes, Hannah, what is a line segment, darling? Alright, very good. A piece or part of a line that has two endpoints. Very good, okay? So now, we can start our discussion since you already know our past lessons. And I can see that you've already learned our lesson yesterday. So now, to open up our topic for today, let's have a short activity that you can relate and can easily answer. Are you ready now? Alright, so let's start. This is only for preparation for our new topic. So, the mechanics of this game is that you only have to identify what are the words behind these jumbled letters. If you want to answer, just raise your hands and wait for me to call your name before answering. Are we clear? If it's clear, say crystal. Are we clear? Okay, very good. So let's start. For number 1, who wants to answer? Yes, Carla? Alright, let's see if nonagon is the answer. Alright, very good. The answer is nonagon. Very good. You may take your seat, Carla. And for the second one, who wants to answer? Yes, Ivy? Okay, let's see if it's triangle. Alright, very good. It's triangle. And for the last one, who wants to answer? Yes, Normie? Okay, let's see if pentagon is the answer. Alright, very good. Pentagon. You may take your seat now, Normie. Thank you, class, for your participation. And I am happy that you are aware of these words. So now, since I can see that you are all ready and eager to learn, let's start our discussion. So our topic for today is all about properties of polygons. So our objectives for today are, after the discussion, the students will be able to identify the properties of polygons, internalize the different properties of polygons in different scenarios, and draw a polygon that is written in a word form. Okay, let's start our discussion. There are two properties of polygons. We have the regular and irregular. So to explain it more to you and for you to understand it more, I have here the number of sides, name of polygon, and the regular and irregular. So let's start in the first one, which is the number of sides. So we have here 3. So that means it has 3 sides. Do you have any idea if there is a polygon you know that has 3 sides? Yes, Normie? Very good. It is triangle. Alright. We have here triangle. So triangle has 3 sides. So I have here a triangle. So when we say regular, this is an example of a regular polygon. Because when we say regular polygons, it has the same angles and same sides. All the measurement of this triangle is the same or equal. So we will put this triangle in regular polygons. But let me show you another triangle. Can you see the difference between the two? Yes, Carla? Very good. In this triangle, it has unequal sides. Very good. So, when a polygon has unequal sides, we will put it on the irregular polygons. They are irregular polygons. So class, in short, if a regular polygon has the same sides and angle, irregular polygons has different or unequal sides. Just like this. Okay? So class, what is a regular polygons again? Very good. They have equal sides and angles. But how about irregular? Very good. They have unequal sides. Okay, so now let's proceed to the second one, which we have 4 sides, and we called it, do you have any idea? Square? Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. But we called it quadrilateral. It has 4 sides, and we called it quadrilateral. Okay, class, remember that. In polygons, 4 sides are called quadrilateral. So here's the example of a quadrilateral. So as you can see, we have quadrilateral polygons here. So it has 4 sides. And very good. It has an equal 4 sides. So where should I put this? Alright, very good. In regular polygons. But how about this one? Where should I put this? Alright, in irregular. It's because, yes, it has an unequal sides. You're learning, huh? Very good. Okay, now let's proceed to the third one, which it has 5 sides. Can you guess and name a polygon that has 5 sides? Yes, Hannah? Alright, very good. Pentagon. So I have here an example of a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But should I put it here in the regular one? What do you think? No, very good, because it has unequal sides. Very good. But how about this one? It is equal, class? Alright, very good. It is equal, so we should put it in regular polygons. So now let's proceed to the sixth sides, which we call, what do you think? Called it? You don't have any idea? Alright, let me reveal it to you. Hexagon. When a polygon has 6 sides, we will call it hexagon. So this is an example of a hexagon. And this is an example of another hexagon. So can you figure it out? Where should I put this to? Should I put this on the regular side? No, of course, because it has uneven sides. So we put it here, and this one should be in the regular. Now, let's proceed to the next, which is 7 sides. So when we say 7 sides, it is heptagon. Class, will you repeat after me? Heptagon. Okay, so heptagon has 7 sides. So here is a heptagon. Here is an example of a heptagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. So we will put it on the regular polygons since it has equal sides and equal angle. But how about this one? My question is, can we still consider it as a heptagon if it is not on the same shape as our original heptagon? Can you guess? Yes, class? No? Who says no? Raise your hands. And how about who says yes? Alright. Class, I want you to remember that in polygons, we can still consider it as a heptagon because it still has 7 sides. But we will put it under the irregular polygons. Remember, class, no matter what shape it is, as long as it has the same size or it has the same sides, it's still considered as a heptagon or any of these polygons, as long as it is matches on the number of sides, no matter what size they are or they have. Are we clear? Alright, very good. So now let's proceed to the next one, which is 8 sides. Who knows what is the name of a polygon that has 8 sides? Very good. It is octagon. We have octagon. So 8 sides of a polygon is octagon. Octagon. So here is the octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. So as you can see, it is perfect and it has the same sides. So we will put it on the regular polygons. So this is an example of irregular polygons. So where should I put this? Of course, in irregular. As you can see, they are not in the same shape. But still, we still consider this as a polygons because, alright, it has 8 sides. So for the next is 9 sides. And we called it, you guessed it earlier, nonagon. Okay, very good. So here is an example of a nonagon. It has 9 sides. So we will put it here. And this one is in the irregular side. And for the last one, we have 10 sides. It's a lot, actually. So this is an example of a decagon, because a polygon that has 10 sides is called decagon. We'll put it here, and this one is on the irregular. So for you to know easily how to draw a polygons, just get a graphing paper and just follow those lines. It will be easy for you to draw these polygons when you have a graphing paper. So let me show you. Let's say, let's draw a, let's choose first. Let's draw hexagon. Let's have hexagon. Let's grab some. Let's draw some Let's draw hexagon. Since there are lines here, it would be easy for us to pattern, to make a polygons, whether it is triangle, quadrilateral. When you have a graphing paper, it would be easy for you to draw one. And now that we are done discussing properties of polygons, I have here a short video that you need to watch, And I want you to identify what are the objects that we can relate in polygons. And after that, I want you to list down all the objects that you can see there and write what polygons they are belong and write how many sides they have. And tell me if they are regular or irregular polygons. Are we clear? Crystal? Okay, clear. So here's the video I'm going to play now. Okay, 3 minutes to finalize your answer. Okay, time's up. Who wants to answer? Just raise your hands. Yes, Hannah? Just give me one object and tell me what polygons it is and how many sides, and tell me if it's regular or irregular. We have pizza. Okay, so pizza is a triangle. Very good. It has 3 sides. Very good. And where should we put pizza? In the irregular, because the pizza on the video has an equal sides. Very good. So what's next? Yes, Andrea. We have, okay, very good. We have a screw. And where should it belong? Hexagon. Okay, because it has 6 sides. Very good. And where should we put that screw? In the regular. Very good. So next, Carla. We have star. So in where should we put star? Or where does it belong? In decagon. Because it has, 10 sides. Very good. And for the next object, you can give another object. Yes, Carla. We have quadrilateral. And it is a notebook. Very good. So, how many sides does a quadrilateral have? Alright, it has 4 sides. And where should it belong? In regular polygons. Very good, class. Thank you for all your participation. I appreciate that you listening to me. And before we end our lesson, I still have the last topic that I need to discuss to you, which is about the congruent polygons. When we say congruent polygons, they are 2 polygons that has same sides and shapes. So to understand it more, here are my examples. Okay, class, here are the polygons. So can you see the same polygons which has same shape and same sides? Okay, can you figure it out? Where are the same or the congruent polygons here and group them down here? I will give you 2 minutes to do it. Who will do it? Any representatives or anyone who wants to? Yes, Hannah? You'll do it? Okay. Okay, Hannah, thank you for your participation. And now let's see if Hannah Hannah is correct. So we have here a very good quadrilateral. They are both quadrilateral, 4 sides and same shapes. And how about this one? We have decagon, same sides and same shape. Okay, so we have another quadrilateral polygons here. Has same sides, same shapes. Very good. Thank you, Hannah, for your participation. All right. Since we are already done with our topic for today, let's have another activity. This time, I will group you into 4 groups and I will give you an illustration board and a chalk in each group. And I want you to identify how many sides does a polygon that I'm going to show you later. And the first one who will raise their board and who got it right will get a point. And later on, the group who will get the highest number of correct answer will win this game and can get plus 2 points in their quiz later. Are we clear? So, let's start. For number 1, we have quadrilateral. How many sides does a quadrilateral have? Yes, group 1. Alright. It has 4 sides. Very good. Group 1 has 1 point. For the next one, we have how many sides does a octagon have? Or how many sides there is in a octagon? Alright, group 4. Very good. It has 8 sides. So group 4 has 1 point. And for the third one, we have how many sides does decagon have? Yes, group 3. We have 10 sides. Very good. Decagon has 10 sides. So, group 3. So far, group 1, 3, and 4 is the only group that has points. Habol tayo, group 2. And for the fourth one, we have triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? Group 2. Alright, very good. It has 3 sides. And for the last one, who will get this? We have heptagon. How many sides does a heptagon have? Yes, group 3. It has, very good, 7 sides. So group 3 is the winner of this activity. That only means group 3 has plus 2 points in the quiz later. Okay, very good class. Thank you for participating. So I have a good news to the 3 groups who didn't win. But they still got some right answers. You will get plus 1 point in the quiz later. Okay? Since I can see that you did really enjoy the activity and you did your best in answering, so you deserve this. Okay? So, thank you class for your participation in this group activity. Let's have our quiz now. Are you ready? Okay, so now let's have our quiz. Please get one and pass. So let me read the direction first. Match and draw a line to connect the figures below to the name of a polygons they match. So class, you need to connect the dots of each polygons and their names. You need to figure it out and name those figures in your test or quiz paper. And connect it and write before the number how many sides does that polygon have. Are we clear? Okay, very good. So for the test 2, group the figures and classify them whether they are part of regular or irregular polygons. Draw it on the table 2 below. So you can see there is a empty table below the figures. Below the table of the figures. You will draw it there and you will group those figures and classify them if it's a regular or irregular polygons. Only give you 20 minutes to answer this quiz, and later on we will check if your answers are correct. Are we clear now? No more questions. Okay, timer starts now. Okay, time's up, class. Okay, please exchange your papers with your seatmates and let's check your quiz. So for the test 1, we have here matching and drawing lines. For number 1, we have, very good, octagon. How many sides does an octagon have? 8 sides. Very good. For the second one, we have triangle. And triangle has 3 sides. Very good. And for the third one, we have heptagon. Because it has, alright, very good, 7 sides. And for the fourth one, we have hexagon. And hexagon has 6 sides. Very good. And for the fifth one, we have decagon. It has 10 sides. Very good. And for the test 2, we have here grouping polygons. And where should I put this polygon? Very good. In irregular. Because it has an equal sides. How about this? Alright, we will put it on the regular polygons. How about this one? Where should we put this? On the irregular polygons. Alright, very good. You're getting it right. How about this one? Where should we put this? Alright, in irregular polygons. And for the last one, where should we put this one? Alright, on the regular polygons. Because it has equal sides. Very good. Class, who got the perfect scores? It seems like every one of you got it right. So class, give yourself a good job. GOODJOB, good job. Good job. Hey, good job. Good job. Hey, alright. So I am happy and I can see that you've learned something from me today. And I learned something from you today also. And because of that, let's call it a day. Thank you and goodbye, class. Okay. Have a great day. Bye.